slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just gonna jump right into the video. So basically, I'm showing you guys how to bleach your knots efficiently. First, I'm gonna start off with the Got2b spray because I want to get rid of all the flyaways. I don't want the bleach touching it at all. So I'm just gonna spray it and then I'm gonna just brush the hairs back. I also do want to mention that this wig is from Here To Extensions. You can find us on Instagram and on our website. This is a 12-inch, no, I lied, a 14-inch lace frontal wig, 13 by 6. Okay, so now we're going to start with the bleaching part of it. Don't judge me, I'm ghetto. I'm going to use this foil paper instead of a bowl, and I'm going to use this comb instead of a brush to mix all of my ingredients together to bleach my knots. Okay, so I'm using my Clairol BW2 bleach that I found in my beauty supply store, and I'm gonna mix that with 30 volume developer. You can use the blue bleach, but my beauty supply store didn't have that. I'm gonna pour not too much into my powder because I want my consistency to be a little thick, because if it's too runny, it's gonna run onto your hair strands and it may like ruin it. Like it may bleach and bleed through and cause your bleaching of your quote-unquote knots to look stupid. So just try your best to make it thick but not too thin at the same time, if that makes sense. Okay, so like I said, I'm ghetto, so I'm using the comb to spread the bleach all across the lace, but I'm doing it a little bit at a time because if you do too much at once, it's going to bleed. This wig actually was a little hard to bleach for some reason. The knots just took forever, so at one point you will see me like pressing the bleach inside of like the mesh a little bit because I wanted it to cover the knots completely, to just get rid of all those, like, you know, those harsh knots. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I washed my wig and I actually use clarifying shampoo to get rid of like some of the old glue that was on the wig. I did try my best to take off the glue as best as possible, but there were some like residue left on it, so I did use clarifying shampoo, and I used the Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner to wash. Okay, so basically I don't know what's going on here. Like, I attempted to pluck this frontal like previously and it just didn't work out. Like, I think in my last video I did state that like I messed up my frontal by trying to pluck, so we're learning together. Okay, so basically I'm gonna attempt to fix this by forming a new hairline, but I just part a small section and I just use my scissor tweezers and I pluck basically, but I don't pluck too much because the scissor tweezers are very strong. Like, they take out a lot of hair at once, and that's probably why my frontal looks like that. But okay, so I'm just gonna go around the hairline. I'm gonna try to pluck it a little bit more because, like I said, I'm gonna form a new hairline. Okay guys, this basically sums up the ending of this video. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest, and I will see you in part 2.